Hey, welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is accretive. Accretive meaning an accretive transaction. A company that is the acquirer is buying this company. So let's say you have XYZ company, they make widgets, and they're buying another company that makes widgets. This company they're buying makes about $1 million a year of, say, EBITA, and this company over here is trading publicly for about 10 times earnings. They're buying these guys for 6 times earnings. By making that acquisition and merging them together, their earnings at 6 times gets a 10 multiple to the public, therefore it's an accretive transaction. This is a very popular term on Wall Street. When companies make accretive transactions, they're usually taking a private company that is not fully valued, taking their earnings, their cash flow, and they're acquiring that for less money or undervalued than the current market, and therefore it's accretive to the public company. Today's word is accretive, an important term when it comes to M&A, mergers and acquisitions, where one company is buying another. The word today is accretive.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.